For me, we need clinical decision support tools. And depending on, where you work in a healthcare ecosystem, that means different things, right? But we need tools that help clinicians understand with all of these different genetic molecular tests that are coming onto the market in many cases since they trained, right? They didn't train in medical school on these tests. So clinical decision support tools will help, understand or identify those patients who need genetic testing. It will help clinicians understand what kind of genetic testing, what genes need to be tested. It can help them understand what labs of the many out there that have these have the best quality data, according to whatever measure. When you order the test and get it back, well, how do you interpret the test, right? What do I do as a result of this? What can the patient take away from that information? So clinical decision support tools are going to be important to help us, routinize not only testing, but also routinize taking these genetic data points into our everyday decision making to help us improve our healthcare, not just for the sick patients, but for healthy patients. And a great example of that, we talked about gene editing for rare disease, sickle cell, spinal muscular atrophy. Great technology, but trying to find a patient that is eligible for them is like a needle in a haystack, because why? These patients are not being diagnosed. These patients are not being identified. So if we had clinical decision support tools that took all the guesswork and the demand off of the people in the healthcare system to make those decisions and could surface that in your MyChart. Oh, by the way, based on the elements in your chart, it looks like you might be eligible for this, right? And the patient can identify themselves. The patient can educate themselves and go have that conversation with their healthcare provider. So it's a two-way street, but we do need those tools to help elucidate these patients who can benefit the most.